This is my autism awareness tablescape. Here's our plates. This is our napkin with a butterfly on it. And I collect butterflies, and tulips are my favorite. So the butterfly is a symbol of transformation. Transformation from your old life to a new. And awareness. I added white butterflies clipped to the napkins. And I also added butterflies all the way around the ring, the candle ring with tulips. And then I added this beautiful multicolored plate to match the turquoise in the table runner and in the candle ring and some of the flowers. But I added multiple butterflies. Yes, and they have glitter on them. And I added them in multiple colors.